up, y'all? I'm Kahleia. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Do y'all see what I have here? I got corn, potatoes, scrimp, green lip mussels, black mussels, eggs. We about to get to it, y'all. Got me a little bit of butter sauce here. Ooh. Got water, of course. Like, yes. I'm just so hungry. Oh, I'm just so hungry. So, let me just take a bite and we can talk, okay? Baby. Okay. So, I love telling y'all my little workapades. And I call them workapades because these men be really thinking I'm about to just up and go with them. I don't got nothing to put this in. Hold on. I'll throw in a little bow here. So, I'm working. It's a black guy. Hey, how you doing? And he was a chef. That was good. He a chef. So he travels around and boom, cooks for people. Oh my God. Yes. Okay, he a chef, boom. Now, he got a loaner vehicle of ours. So that means he dropped his car off, get it fixed, and he borrowed one of our cars until it was done. So when he dropped the car off, flirting with me, but nicely, you know. I ain't got no ring on my finger, y'all, so he don't know that I'm taking. So we chopping it up or whatever. He talking about some, yeah, I'm about to head to Indianapolis for a couple days, and then I'm gonna go to Miami. And I'm thinking he's just this old player. You know, Cincinnati got a whole bunch of old players. Y'all, this is good. I ain't had Cincy crab in forever. So, he was telling me, oh, this is messy. He was telling me how he is chef or whatever. And I sit right next to a girl, so like, she pays attention to her computer and me and Dude having a conversation. So he talking about some, yeah, I cook for people, all these kind of prestigious people and stuff. I don't give a damn. But I'm like, cool. I'm like, see you when you get back. Okay, have a safe trip. Bye. So he leaves. Y'all, ooh. Comes back a week later. His car's done. And he was like, so I had a good time, man. I wish you'd have came with me. I was like, nah, I got a whole 5-year-old and a, oh, is this my hair? I hope this is my hair. Or is that hair? Oh, no, that's the shook. Okay. Hi, guys. And I was like, yeah, I got a whole daughter and a, boyfriend at home. He said, that's why I ain't seen no ring. I was like, yeah, but he's soon to be my fiance. Shut it down real quick. Because people don't care if you in like a boyfriend-girlfriend relationship. Like, that's, who cares? Shut up. Let me get to some of these little black ones. They ain't busting as hard. And it's the big ones. Yeah. But yeah, he I had to shut it down real quick. So then he was like, oh, excuse me, like, old cat, y'all. It's so good. It's so messy today. So So yeah, I had to shut it down real quick. Excuse me, little lady. I didn't know. I was like, well, now you know, not getting smart with the customer, but just decline him a little bit. So he was like, well, if your situation don't pan out, you can come and travel the world with me. As good as that sounds, I'm happier where I'm at. Alright, boy, well, like following your old ass around like a sugar baby. This food shouldn't be this good, y'all. Ooh. And to all my people that water fasting, hold on. Let me put that down. Let me get my water, because it's to y'all. Come on. That sip was for y'all. All right, so boom. He had to come back. Car was still messed up, I guess. Talking about some, did anything change while I was gone? Talk about the status between me and my boyfriend. And I'm like, no. And at this point, I said it like that. Like, you're not about to get the nice customer service Kahleia no more. Oh my God. It's so good. So then, he's like, dang, you gotta give me an attitude. And my coworker wasn't right there no more. I was like, sir, for real, at this point, you're just getting on my nerves. I was like, do you need something from me other than my number? I'm about to slap your mama. Because it's that good. Yeah, this is so messy. Okay. So then, I told him like, so yeah, I told him that. He replied back like, no. I'm sorry to bug you. And he walked away. That was the end of it. And I haven't seen him since. But I'm like, if I would have, told somebody that you were harassing me, because at a certain point, I did feel harassed. Like, I'll turn you down a jokingly way. I'll turn you down a more serious way. I'll turn you down a real serious way. Dang. Then you get it. I already got butter sauce. Oh, I probably can't see that. That's okay. The last thing I want to do is make a scene. I'm getting full. These eggs and potatoes. But yeah, I didn't want to cause a scene because he a black man at that. You know what I'm saying? I work in the more Caucasian parts of Cincinnati. Like I'm working Mesa, if y'all don't know. Now you know. So yeah, that's Republican town over there. So I ain't trying to cause a scene on you, brother. Damn, that's good. So if anything, just walk away, please. Just walk away, please. Oh yeah, I'm getting full of last bite. It's so good though. But you know what I'm saying? Like, let me just go in peace. I get that a lot, but now it's to the point I gotta say no a few times for you to understand. be thirsty. Alright, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch you on my next video. I got so full quick. I'm gonna have to change that. I'm gonna have to eat this later or something. But catch y'all on my next one. Bye.